Welcome back, students. This class is related to the our next topic, that is angles and property of exterior angles. So, what is exterior angle? Some diagram I have drawn. The exterior angle is the angle which is outside the polygon, right? Just the diagram shown here. The angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the exterior angles, right? And measure of all these exterior angles is 360 degree. Means if suppose I am combining angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, for example 4 plus whatever may be number, the sum should be always 360 degree. Now the next thing is the number of exterior angles. How we can find the number of exterior angles? So the total measure of the exterior angle upon measure of one angle, right? That gives the total of number of exterior angles, right? Number of exterior angles, how we will find? The sum of all the exterior angle, that is 360, and measure of one angle they have given. So our next thing is that now we have to understand what is the relation between the exterior angle and the interior angle. The relation in between exterior and interior, I'm mentioning in this box, is the sum of exterior angle plus beside interior angle is equal to 180 degree, and that known as linear pair, right? So now diagrammatically, if I want to find the linear pair of this angle, so 125 plus whatever it may be y and 180. So 125 minus 180, so 55 degrees is the measure of the interior angle. So in this way we can find the any interior angle. Now let's try to understand the question number 1. In question number 1, in first question they are asking you to find the value of this x, right? So what is the property of exterior angle? All the angles are exterior, right? Seeing in blue color. So the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So what we will do? We will write on right hand side 360, and on left hand side we will add this 125 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Now 125, 125, 250 x degree and 360 degree. Are you getting? It is very simple addition. Now shift 250 degree on the right hand side. So 360 degree minus 250, that is 250, 360 minus 250, what is 110 degree. So the answer is this. Now in second question they have not given one exterior angle, right? We have to find x, we have given 70, this is 90, this is 60, and what about this? So I have mentioned here linear pair. So linear pair is the sum of this interior and exterior. So I don't know the exterior, but I know the interior. Interior is 90 degree. So I will subtract here 180 minus 90. So it is 90 degree. So now I got all the exterior angles only except x. So I will add them. 70 plus 90 plus 60 plus 90, and this is the last x is equal to 360 degree. Now this all sum is 310 plus x is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 degree minus 310 is equal to 50 degree is the answer. So in this way you can understand the how to solve. In question number 2, we have to find the measure of each exterior angle, and what is given? Given is number of sides. What is given? Number of sides. So number of sides in first problem 9. So by which formula we will find the measure of each exterior angle? So I have mentioned formula, that is 360 degree upon 9. Why 9? Because number of sides is equal to number of angles. If the triangle have 3 sides, then 3 angles. So this relation is very useful in this solving. So we will 9 fours are, that is 40 degree. So each exterior angle having 9 sides polygon have measure 40 degree. In second, 15 sides. So I will directly do 360 upon 15 is equal to 15 to the 30 and 15 for the 60. So 24 degree is the answer. In this way we can able to solve the question number. So in question number 4, interior angle is given 165 degree and we have to find number of sides of a polygon. Suppose some polygon is there having one interior angle is 165. So to find the number of sides, we want first exterior angle, right? Exterior angle. So what is exterior angle? It is a 180 minus interior angle. This property is known as linear pair. What is linear pair? Just like this diagram is, this is interior, right? 165, then it is 180 minus 165. So we will also same things we will do here. 180 degree minus 165 degree. Now what is the answer? So it is 15 degree. So each exterior angle is 15 degree. Now number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon 15. 15 to the 30 and 15 4 the 60. So in this way we can find the number of sides of a polygon having each exterior angle 15 degree or something, whichever given, right? So in this way we have completed question number 1, 2 and 4. The remaining question, that is 3, 5, 6 are homework. 3, 5 and 6 are homework. Thank you.